I'm happy to share with you the strong performance of Ambuja Cements for Q4 and overall for FY24. Ambuja Cements has achieved stellar financial results marked by revenue growth and operational efficiency. Our net profit has witnessed a remarkable surge, reflecting the company's resilience and strategic initiatives in a dynamic work environment. For the year-on-year consolidated performance, revenue increased 12% at Rs 8,894 crores. Operating costs went down by 9% at Rs 4,345 per ton, a reduction of Rs 418. This is mainly on account of 13% decrease in energy cost, driven by our efficient fuel management. We achieved a 17% reduction in kiln fuel cost, now at Rs 1.84 from the previous 2.21 per 1000 kilocal. With these improvements in revenue and cost, our EBITDA is Rs 1,699 crores, a jump of 37%. The EBITDA on per ton basis increased by 17% to Rs 1,026, and the margin expanded by 3.5% to 19.1%. We achieved 100% growth in PAT at Rs 1,526 crores, up from Rs 766 crores, a jump of Rs 762 crores. On consolidated cash and cash equivalents, at the end of 31st March 24, it remains at Rs 15,999 crores. With the receipt of warrant money of Rs 8,339 crores in April 24, this goes up to Rs 24,338 crores. On a standalone basis, the net revenue exhibited a rise of 12% at Rs 4,780 crores, in line with the 18% volume increment at 9.5 million tons. A strong PAT growth of 6% at Rs 532 crores. Coming to strategic investments and expansions, Adani Cement's total cement capacity has now reached 78.9 million tons, including recently acquired 1.5 million grinding unit at Tuticorin. We are capitalizing on our successful acquisition of Sanghi Industries, which is on a path of significant improvement in EBITDA performance post-acquisition. With integration of 400 plus channel partners after the acquisition, our emphasis is on strengthening and reinforcing our iconic ACC and Ambuja brands through the positioning of Har Ghar Hoga Aur Bhi Mazboot. With Asian Concrete, we will be able to strategically cater to a vast customer base across HP, Haryana and Punjab, improving our profitability and market share. We are well on our path of ongoing growth in our brownfield operations, adding 8 million tons of clinker capacity at Bhatapara in Chhattisgarh and Maratha in Maharashtra. With these capacities coming into service, we will also enhance our ESG standards on the lines of 42 megawatts of WHRS, 30% AFR, aided by green power for these new plants. This will allow 14 million tons of blended green new cement capacity by Q2 FY26. Reaffirming our commitment to sustainable practices, with an investment of Rs 10,000 crores in 1 gigawatt solar and wind power projects, we are aiming for a substantial increase in green power capacity, taking green power share to 60%, promising compelling economic advantages to our planned larger capacity of 140 million tons. We are also continuously increasing the share of AFR and WHRS. We will be reaching 186 megawatts WHRS capacity by FY25. In addition to our branding effort, we have had robust and notable involvement with the technical and end users. Through our technical services, we are supporting ethical and environmentally friendly building practices, making a significant positive influence on society at large. While we have set out to achieve our long-term objectives, we are committed to sustainable growth with focus on water governance, sustainable livelihoods, women empowerment, uplifting rural infrastructure, and championing social inclusiveness. 3.3 million people benefit from our community development projects. The cement industry's outlook remains positive, driven by pre-election spending, ongoing government emphasis on infrastructure and development, and sustainable real estate activity. The industry is expected to witness another wave of strong demand as the normal monsoon season is predicted this year. Fueled further by the higher budgetary allocation to the infrastructure and construction in the interim budget 24-25, as well as the green energy transition, this demand momentum is expected to sustain going forward. Looking ahead, we are optimistic about the future and are committed to the sustaining this momentum. Ambuja Cements will continue to leverage its strengths, explore new opportunities, and uphold the highest standards of corporate governance.